Case study: processed food. Drinking yogurt. In this case study we will review 5 yogurt drinks. Very often people think that yogurt drinks are a healthy choice. Let's see if that is the case. We will look at some general information like price, quantity, and price per 100 grams, and then at the ingredients list so that we can investigate. What is the first one on the list? How many ingredients are in the drink? What kind? Are they free of additives? And are the ingredients easy to read? We will further analyze the nutrition information, the sugar content, the kilocalorie per 100 grams, and the indicated serving size, etc. In the summary we will also evaluate some more details. Let's start this journey. General information. Let's look at these 5 yogurt drinks. Here we have the price, the quantity, and the price per 100 grams. The product number 4 is the cheapest and the product number 1 is the most expensive. Now, let's examine their contents. Ingredients. Are the ingredients easy to read on the packaging? Only in one case were the ingredients easy to read, in 3 cases it was not so easy, and in 1 case it was really difficult. What is the first ingredient on the list? Remember, the first ingredient on the list corresponds to the highest amount by weight. Despite being sold as a drinking yogurt, only one had milk as the first ingredient on the list, 2 products had water, one had fructose and the other had sugar. How many ingredients are in our drinks, and which one is free from additives? The number of ingredients ranged between 5 and 10 and only one product was free from additives. Summary: ingredients. Here is an overview of the ingredient analysis. In terms of ingredients, we would most likely prefer product number 3. But let's dig deeper and understand the nutrition information. Nutrition information. Here are the shots of the nutrition facts of our drinking yogurts. Some were not easy to take due to the round surface. Let's have a look at the nutrition aspects. Firstly, how easy is it to read the information on the packaging? Only in 1 case the nutrition information was easy to read, in 2 cases not so easy, and in 2 cases it was difficult. How many kilocalorie per 100 grams and how much sugar per 100 grams is in our yogurt drinks? Product number 3 had the highest amount of calories and sugar, whereas product number 4 had the lowest quantity of calories. Remember, the first ingredient was water, and product number 1 had the lowest amount of sugar. What is the indicated serving size and the kilocalorie per serving size? What is the total sugar per indicated serving size? The serving size was mostly indicated with 200 grams, with one product indicating 233 grams. Product number 3 has the highest amount of calories and sugar per serving size and also per 100 grams. How much sugar is provided by one serving in percentage to the recommended maximum daily sugar intake of 30 grams? All products provide more than 45% of the maximum daily sugar intake with just one serving. With just one serving, product number 3 covers up to 73% of the maximum daily sugar intake. If product number 3 appeared to be a good choice in terms of quantity and quality of ingredients, it is not a good choice if we look at the sugar content. Summary. Here is an overview of the nutrition information analysis. Summary. In this summary we evaluate good, mediocre and negative aspects of each product. Product 1 had the lowest amount of total sugar but still on the high side. The ingredients list was not so easy to read. Among the negative aspects, we consider that the product was in the upper range, and it had a high number of ingredients. The nutrition information was also very difficult to read, and 45% of recommended sugar intake was covered with one serving of 200 grams. Product number 2's positive was that the nutrition values and ingredients were easy to read. It scored average for relatively low amount of ingredients. On the negative side, the product was expensive, and 55% of recommended sugar intake was covered with one serving, 200 grams. Product number 3 had the least ingredients. It was the only one free from additives. The nutrition values and ingredients were easy to read. Not so ideal was the suggested serving size, despite being slightly more natural with regard to the processing. On the negative side, it contained the highest amount of sugar. One serving covers 73% of the recommended daily sugar intake, which is really high for something we thought could be a healthy alternative. Product number 4 was the cheapest, and the nutrition and ingredients are easy to find and read. The amount of sugar per serving is also quite high. But the first ingredient is water, which might mislead the consumer who has the intention of buying a yogurt product. It has the highest number of ingredients and additives. What do you think of our drinking yogurt? They are not really a healthy option. If you eat yogurt, go for a plain one and add some fresh fruits. In this way you'll add fiber and reduce sugar intake.